Hello everyone, it's CryptoGo. Welcome back. We are just going to talk about the Moodeng coin price prediction news analysis. What's going on, guys? In our recent video, we discussed that 34 is the target. We hit that area, and but overall, I told you that we are at the important zone. We need a closing. We need a confirmation on the thing because coin already pumped so huge, a 10x from the bottom to the top, even more than that. I'm going to show you in this video, and obviously that was the profit taking zone, and I was waiting for the closing above that region, and you can see on the chart that we got rejection and all that becomes a wick. So now if you guys are still holding, or you didn't took a profit, or you are waiting for the highest like 46 cents, then we are just going to talk about this in a detail, that what is going to be the possible scenario for the next coming days. Before starting, guys, make sure subscribe and turn on the notifications to never ever miss the upcoming updates. And if you are watching here for the follow-up, then guys, do not forget to hit the like button. Now, $260 million market cap and $826 million of volume. Volume is still good. The coin is available to trade on all the US-based exchanges, coinbase, kraken. And this is the chart. And look how beautifully we are standing here just below the 26 cents. Here I'm just zooming in to show you. We are below this area. Actually, we need a closing above that region to go further upside. Okay. So now we will see how low we can go from this. Guys, currently the candle is showing indices here. Okay. And RSI on a 2-day is highly overbought. And from here to here, the coin pump almost 837% from the bottom to top, almost 10x around. And we are here. What we should do? I think you should take profit and move on to the something else, because now there's not much juice left in this coin. Okay. From here to here, we can maximum hit upside with the 46. Okay. But what about the downside if we lose? From like 34 to this is the gap downside toward the 14 cent. As I told you when we were going upside, that this is the gap from the 13 to 26. I gave you the target, and we quickly pump upside in a one single candle. So we can also go down same way in a one single candle. That is the reason I'm just telling you to take profit on this coin. Still, I know you guys are in a profit, but if you bought at the top, then I can not do anything for you. Because that was not a good move by you, by buying at the highest prices at 34 for the 10% gain or 20% gain, without watching a risk to reward ratio on something that you are going to buy. Okay, this is a very bad move by someone who bought this coin here at 32 or 34 area. Okay, because this was the target. Now, what is the actual scenario? What we can expect, that is that really it can go back downside toward that region of the 14 cents, guys. I do not think, but what I am watching and expecting, the price will consolidate here. Okay, for some days it will cool down in this region by holding a 20 cents for some days, and then we can pump upside. This is the only scenario, because the downside is very much clear, and whenever we will go down, everyone will rush to place the buy order downside below the 20 or 17. So there will be a demand here at this region. But overall, RSI need a more cooling down, resetting indicator, all that thing. So I think the price will go sideways, because the downside there is a demand, and upside there's not much room to go further upside without having a correction. So here was my thought and analysis about the Moodeng coin. Always do your own research before buying and selling anything. Thank you and bye-bye.